Okay, this is instruction on how to install ClearPro CARBN on a 15-inch MacBook. So first of all, ClearPro CARBN is a dry apply material. You don't need any solution to put it on. First trick you want to do, get the top, peel about an inch or two off the top, and also cut out where the apple is. This will help you line it up and orient yourself when you're installing it. So first thing you want to do, have this backwards. Line up the apple and line up the top at the same time. Slowly just rub down the top. Apple's lined up. And you can flip it back and you can pull the excess paper off and throw it in the trash. So let's get this and slowly let it roll and just rub it down as you roll it down. If you get slight little bubbles, don't worry. When we heat it up, the bubbles will come right out. Slowly rub all the corners down, edges. We do recommend using a hairdryer when installing this. So what you like to do, where you have some curved edges, go ahead and get the hairdryer. Heat the corners up a little bit. It will help the carbon mold and shape to the device. Continue that on all the corners. Anything that needs to be shaped and molded. And that's the top once installed. So we're going to flip over and we're going to do the bottom now. Same thing. Brush all the parts off. Do the same thing on this, where you got the screw holes and the bottom holes. You can use those as reference points. So go ahead and peel an inch or so of material off. Use it as a reference point. Once you have it lined up and it looks straight, flip it back like we did on the front, pull the excess off, and throw in the trash. So again, just slowly roll this, rub your fingers down as you go. Again, no tools, solutions, anything you need to install ClearPro CARBN. It is a dry apply, so you can touch it with your fingers and your hands. It will not damage or harm the material at all. Go ahead and rub the corners. If needs be, you can get the hairdryer and heat up the corners to shape them. I did not have to on this one. It laid good. Normally they will. Okay, so now we're going to do the inside. It comes with multiple pieces to do around the mouse pad and around the inside pieces. So I'm going to start with the mouse pad part. Peel off. Brush any dust or debris off. This stuff, don't be afraid to peel back up and start over, because it doesn't harm the material at all. This has a lot of play and a lot of flexibility to it. So once you get it down, you can start laying it down, rub it flat. It's very simple. Got two more pieces. Those around your power button and speaker. You can use your power button